Hello and welcome to Solidworks Station. My name's Stuart, and in today's tutorial we're going to look at Model Mania 2002 Phase 2. If you remember back to our first tutorial in Model Mania 2002, we looked at creating this part. We had a primary and secondary bore to do, we had a few fillets, we had this pocket that we needed to put in. We learnt quite a lot on this particular tutorial, and now we're ready for Phase 2. So, Phase 2 of Model Mania looks like this. It's asking us to configure another 3 additional parts using this table to help us. So it's wanting the large diameter hole that we've got for the default one to be changed so that we get a part B which is 60, a part C which is 50, and a part D which is 40 in the large diameter board hole being decreased each time by 10 mil. The distance between the centres is getting increased by 25 mil each time, and we've got the top slope angle which we see in this particular configuration is getting changed to 10 degrees. Okay, C is 7 and D is 5. So to do that, we're going to go into SolidWorks, and I'm going to show you how we can use a combination of SolidWorks and Microsoft Excel in order to do this. Now you can go and practice this not only with this particular Model Mania, you could try it with other ones, you could try it with your own designs that you're doing at home. It's a really powerful tool, this. So to do it, we're going to go into Insert, and we're going to go to Table, and we're going to go to Design Table. Okay, we're going to left click on this, and I'm going to auto create this. So I'm going to click on auto create and OK. Now what that'll do is Microsoft Excel has now loaded up in the background, and it's given us a table ready to fill in. So at the moment it's giving me all these different dimensions from my sketch that don't really make much sense to me at the moment. Okay, I'm going to use my instant 3D option in order to pick up the configurations that it's asking for in the table. So I'm just going to cancel this. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on this part here, and you can see my instant 3D comes up. Now I know in column 1 is the primary bore diameter. I know that the second one in the table was the distance from centres, and I know that the third one was the angle. Okay, and you can see that as I've clicked on those, they've populated in the Microsoft Excel table. Now this one we're going to call default. Okay, this one we're going to call B, this one C, this one D. Okay, and then we're going to put our values in. So we've got 60, 125 and 10. In C we've got 50, 150 and 7, and in D we've got 40, we've got 175 and we've got 5. Okay, you must put these values in. Okay, you must put what they're called as well, so B, C and D, in order for this to work. If you don't, it won't work. Okay, so just left click anywhere on the screen now. We've got a dialog box that comes up saying the design table generated has been completed for default, for B, for C and for D, and we go to OK. And now in our configurations tab here, okay, this is in the got feature manager. Okay, moving across, okay, configurations, we've got all the different ones that we've made. So we've got B, so if we just double click on this, okay, you can see the updated version there. We've got C, we've got D, and we've got our defaulted one as well. So if we remember back, phase 1, it looked at creating this part, and then what we've done is we've been issued phase 2, is how it would work in the real SolidWorks Model Mania competition. You would then be issued phase 2, and in this one, we've been asked to complete this kind of configuration table where we're getting many different parts. This would happen with the likes of many different types of maybe furniture or brackets or any kind of fixture or fitting. A lot of these places will have this set up within the CAD system in order to quickly populate and quickly manufacture these types of parts. Phase 2 can be a little bit different sometimes. Phase 2 can look at updating just one dimension, a couple of dimensions, maybe conducting some finite element analysis, looking for a factor of safety, that kind of stuff. But on this particular one from Model Mania 2002, it looked at completing a design table with an additional 3 configurations, B, C and D. And that brings us to an end for phase 2 of Model Mania 2002. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to Solidworks Station. Give me a big thumbs up as well if you've enjoyed this video and enjoyed the content from it. And I'll see you all again soon for Model Mania 2003 phase 1, or perhaps another one of my design challenges. Keep in touch everyone and stay safe. Thank you very much and goodbye.